Hello and welcome to Chelsea Harbour, a very warm welcome indeed, because this is a fantastic interior design centre. Now initially you may not know Chelsea Harbour because it was set up for interior designers, but now it opens its doors to everybody, anybody who would like to be involved in interior design, specifically you who are doing your project and trying to research and find those very vital and important elements. Now, interior design is well served outside of London as well, but here at the harbour we can give you lots of things that can help you. We have a one-to-one shopper that can give you all the advice you need as to where you can actually find your products. There's also a 1-hour discovery tour which you can actually join. And then there are two major Focus and London Design Weeks where you can come, look around the harbour and find all these fabulous showrooms, although actually they are open all the time. Now, one thing to remember is that each showroom works on an individual basis, and how you trade and deal with that showroom is entirely up to them. But I'm sure you're going to have a fantastic time, so do come on down, come and see us at Chelsea Harbour.